Top Collectors channel for yet another video. It has been a little while since my last video, but don't worry, we're gonna jump right into this one. Today, we got the Hot Wheels Premium Fast Wagon set. We're gonna kick this off by starting off with car number 1 of 5, the 1969 Nissan Skyline van. Some nice, quick, intricate details on this car. Next up, we got the 1964 Chevy Nova panel in this blue gray finish. Nice matte. Let's look at the back of the card first. I missed that on the first one. We got all 5 cars. Nice subtle car, two-tone between like a semi-matte and a nice gloss white top. I love the wheel selection on this one. You did a great job on this. Next up, we got the Volvo P220 Amazon wagon. This is one of my favorite ones of the set. The detail work they did on this car. Nice Volvo badging right there in the front, the painted headlights. They even have the little spare wheel in the back over there with the roll cage. Nice markings, nice clean lines overall. Nice job. Next up, we got the Volvo 850 Estate. We've seen this in the main line. They finally put it in a premium line. as the details from a mainline to the premium weren't that much intricate in terms of additional details. The one thing I do like are the wheels. The wheels do have like a spacer over here which don't allow for too much movement on the wheels, so I really enjoy that. But aside from that, essentially a metal added base, and the casting not too much different from our mainline. And finally, we saw this on the mainline debuting last year, and it finally came to the premium, and they even mimicked the Audi Quantum Grey. It looks absolutely superb, fantastic wheel choice. The mix of the gloss and the matte portions. They did add a lot more intricate detail on the front grille compared to the mainline. Right here we have some decals with some like ventilation and the fog lights. These are really nice. Here in the back, a couple of subtle upgrades. They added the RS6 over here. That's always a nice touch. But overall, very, very nice. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, feel free to subscribe and click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Please let us know down in the comment section below if you guys did enjoy this set as much as I did. Don't forget to equally like and share this video. Never stop collecting and always fuel that passion. I can't emphasize this enough. To all my collectors, I'm Adrian, and we will see you all in the next one.